Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the replace function in Excel. The replace function allows you to replace part of a text string with a different text string. This function is particularly useful when you need to update or modify text in your spreadsheets, such as changing product codes, correcting errors in text, or updating records with new information. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the replace function means. Old text, the original text string that contains the text you want to replace. It can be a cell reference or a text string. Start num, the position of the first character in the text string you want to replace. This is a numeric value that specifies where to start the replacement. Num chars, the number of characters you want to replace in the old text. This is also a numeric value that specifies how many characters to replace. New text, the text that will replace the specified characters in the old text. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of product codes in column A, and you want to replace a portion of each code to reflect a new product line. For instance, you want to replace the last two digits of each product code with a new set of digits. In cell A1, you have the product code ABC12345. You want to replace the last two digits 45 with 99. In cell B1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Old text. A1 refers to the cell containing the original product code ABC12345. Start num 7 indicates that we want to start replacing from the seventh character, which is the first 4 in 45. Num chars 2 specifies that we want to replace two characters, both 4 and 5. New text 99 is the new text that will replace the characters in the old text. Press enter, and Excel will return ABC12399, which is the updated product code. Now suppose you have a list of customer feedback in column A, and you want to replace the word bad with poor in all the feedback entries. In cell A2, you have the feedback text, the service was bad. To replace bad with poor, we first need to identify the start position and the number of characters to replace. In cell B2, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Old text, A2 refers to the cell containing the original feedback. The service was bad. Start num 17 indicates the position where the word bad starts in the text string. Num chars 3 specifies that we want to replace 3 characters, the length of bad. New text, poor, is the text that will replace bad. Press enter, and Excel will return the service was poor, which is the updated feedback text. The replace function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data cleaning. Quickly update or correct text in large datasets, such as replacing outdated terms or correcting typos. Product management. Use replace to update product codes or descriptions to reflect new product lines or features. Report formatting. Automatically adjust text in reports to ensure consistency and clarity, such as standardizing terminology or correcting errors.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.